Hey YouTube, this your girl Diana and I'm back with another video. So today is part 2 of the rice water, and here I have my rice water in this spray bottle. Spray, spray, spray. Spray all you little nasty little thoughts. Okay, and the products I'm going to use today is this conditioner. Like after I do all of my, like whatever, my hair looks a mess right now. And this is my shampoo. This is like the best shampoo. I'm about to show you the conditioner. This is my best friend right now. Like this conditioner, this is like my best friend. And I'm gonna use this because I have some heat damage. And then I have this wide tooth comb because my hair is thick. And then I have this comb to section my hair off. And then I have 3 clips. And a paddle brush. Don't mind the noise. It's the toilet is fucked up. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, and I got my towel. This is my towel. I'm gonna put it over my head. Not over my head, like on my shoulders. Okay, and then I'm gonna unravel this. I don't know what the hell. I'm gonna use this to comb it out. So like my hair keeps growing, like instead of like the hairline being right here, it goes past the hairline. Oh my gosh, how did it start? I'm actually going to section the hair in 2 parts. Y'all bear with me for like 5 solid minutes until this shit turn off. Now you don't have to make the parts. Just feel like my hair is really like dirty. Don't judge me. My toilet really must not wanted me to do this video because it keep making noise. I freaking hate these clips. Then I'm gonna section this one off. And then I just keep the back. Look at that back. Like my hair is so like look at that. Like my hair is so freaking matted. Like y'all don't know. And then I'm gonna spray a lot in the back. Look, I'm gonna spritz it until like my whole entire ends is droopy.
Okay. And then I'm just gonna comb it out. And then I'm gonna let y'all see the back.
I've been natural for two plus years. It's hard being natural, honestly. Like, the biggest things about being natural is being consistent. Like, with me, like, I usually wear my afro out. I barely put any braids in. Like, when I do braid it up, it's like for, you know, to be cute. Okay? So,
Like, for me to have like
the Beyonce hair and like those type of people hair, like I really have to be consistent in like everything I'm doing. Like I usually wash my hair every 2 weeks because I don't want to keep washing it, but I do like spray it down with water to make it really not seem dry, but also to make it, you know, to be really great. Because I think I have like 4B, 4C. Like it's 4B up here, but it's like 4C back here. So I have to really spritz my hair really good in the back. I'm gonna spray some more. How's y'all's day so far? My day has been hella great, except for the rain. Other than the rain, it's been super good. And then I'm about to show you the back. So this is the back of my hair. That's the back of my hair. It's really like, it sucks. We'll put this on. Then I'm gonna start up here. Now with this hair, like I had trimmed it where I like cut it because I had heat damage, and you know, like when you know you have that straight iron heat damage, that means like it's curly, but then it ends to be straight, and the ends are straight. Like with this one, you can't really see it, but it's like curly and then it turns straight, but it's starting to revert back to it's being all curly instead of some of it straight, some of it curly. So and I lost my clip. Then I'm just combing it out. And then I'm gonna do the other side. The reason why I haven't been doing a YouTube video in super long time is because I had like I was really down, and you know I was like, should I do this YouTube thing, or is it just like a small phase, or wait? So I wasn't really like myself then. But I'm back. Like, I can see how much my I got another comb. But I can see how my hair has grown since the last video. My hair has been growing so much. Okay, I'm gonna let this in for like 10 minutes and then I'll come back. So, bye. See y'all later. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. So I just got finished washing it. And I'm not gonna use this wet towel. I'm gonna use this dry towel. My hair look a freaking mess. I just got done washing it and I did put conditioner in it. So look at the bed. Body bit. Body. I don't know how to do that to you. Okay. So I'm about to comb my hair out. So it can be like afro type. And then I'm gonna put okay. I do need this, but no, I'm gonna use this. This is, oh, it smells super good. This is the damage repair mix. As I told y'all before, my hair is a little damaged. And I'm literally gonna leave this in. I'm massaging in. Yeah, like I really love the rice water method because like as y'all can go back and watch the first video compared to the second video, my hair has grown tremendously and I just freaking love it. Like, it's so much. Like, it's so much things that I would do. Cause you know, like these YouTubers do a lot of hair tutorials on like different things that they do to their hair. Usually what I do to my hair, like I don't really do much to it, but like I just barely wash it. Washing it every single day strips the hair. So I wash it every two to 3 weeks. And it grows a lot. And plus I have braids in. And when you have like a protective style, your hair grows faster. And I'm usually working this in from like the scalp area. I'm just massaging it in gently, and then probably gonna brush it up because I won't really do anything with my hair. Dang, everybody wanna blow my phone up today. And then just something simple. New bun, who this? But anyways, y'all, thank you. Subscribe, like, comment. You know, comment new techniques, comment old techniques, comment whatever you want. If the video was bad, the video is good, I like all comments. And please like and comment and share the video. Don't be all negative on my page, because you can get the hands, period, poo. Anyways, I didn't show y'all my outfit, but it's just a, you know, cute dress. Thank you. Comment, like, and share. And someone please teach me how to do it well, because this is not helping. I can do every other dance, but except for the well. I don't know how to do that. But yeah. It says wash out, but I usually, if it's like a leave-in, then I just leave it in. But yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.